Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we are going to discuss how we can enable HyperV in Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. HyperV is a default virtualization solution for Windows operating system. If you want to install multiple operating system on your Windows 11, then you can enable HyperV. It allows you to create a virtual machine so that you don't need to install any third-party application like VirtualBox and VMware Workstation to create a virtual machine. So here is how you can enable HyperV in Windows 11. For that, on the search option, simply search for Control Panel and open Control Panel. So here we have our Control Panel. Here simply click on Programs, and here you will find Programs and Feature option. Simply click on Turn on Windows feature on or off, and here you will find Windows feature window. From here you can turn on and turn off Windows feature. Now to enable HyperV, simply click on this plus icon next to HyperV and simply turn on all these three options: HyperV, HyperV Management Tool, HyperV Platform. Then click on OK. And here you can see it is searching for all the required files. After that, it will simply apply the changes on your Windows 11. Once the process is completed, you need to restart your Windows 11 in order to finish the installation process. Simply click on Restart Now. After you had restarted your Windows 11 system, on the search option, simply search for HyperV to get HyperV Manager tool. Simply open this tool, and using this tool you can create virtual machine and install multiple operating system on your Windows 11. So that's it. This is how you can enable HyperV in Windows 11. In next video, I will show you how you can create a virtual machine and install Ubuntu 22.04 LTS on HyperV. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.